Today is the day dated in history as a dark day, a day that shook entire world, a mourning day and viewed as deadliest terrorist attack in human history. 9/11 is a series of 4 coordinated terrorist attacks by the Islamic terrorist group Al-Qaeda against the United States on September 11, 2001. The hijackers were Islamic terrorists from Saudi Arabia and several other Arab nations. Reportedly financed by the Al-Qaeda terrorist organization of Saudi fugitive Osama bin Laden, they were allegedly acting in retaliation of America's support of Israel, its involvement in the Persian Gulf War, and its continued military presence in the Middle East. 4 passenger airlines which had departed from airports in northeastern United States were hijacked by 19 Al-Qaeda terrorists. 2 of the planes crashed into north and south towers of World Trade Center complex. Within 1 hour 42 minutes, both 110-story towers collapsed. A 3rd plane was crashed into the Pentagon, which is partially collapsed. The 4th plane was initially flown towards Washington DC, but crashed into the field in Stony Creek Township because of passengers' diversion. The attacks resulted in 2,977 victim fatalities, over 25,000 injuries, and caused at least $10 billion in infrastructure and property damage. The cleanup and recovery process at the World Trade Center site took 8 months. Immediately after the attacks, the Federal Bureau of Investigation started Pent-Bomb, the largest criminal inquiry in the history of the United States. Although Osama bin Laden initially denied any involvement, in 2004 he claimed responsibility for the attacks of 9/11. After evading capture for almost a decade, bin Laden was located in Pakistan and killed by SEAL Team 6 of the US Navy in May 2011. On every 9/11 anniversary, the names of the victims who died there are read out. The President attends a memorial service at the Pentagon and asks Americans to observe Patriot Day with a moment of silence. In that place, a new World Trade Center complex is built with 6 new skyscrapers and other several buildings. A day even today creates chills in one's back.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.